Let's take a look at positions within organic research. So what we see here is the total number of keywords bringing users to the website via Google's top 20 organic search results. Case of Amazon, that's 310,000 keywords. Those 310,000 keywords result in this specific amount of traffic, 1.6 million. And well, the traffic cost is about $511,000. Obviously, Amazon doesn't pay anything for that kind of traffic because it's organic traffic. But if you wanted to set up paid traffic campaigns and target those keywords, you would have to pay, or Amazon would have to pay $511,000. Then we see the different keywords Amazon is ranking for. Let's take a look at this keyword here. So for the keyword Amazon, Amazon.com is ranking on position number 3 on Google. This keyword receives a search volume of 24.9 million a year. The average CPC is 0.02. Then that is where the traffic is being driven to. Then this keyword here, Amazon is responsible for 28.39% of the total traffic driven to Amazon. So the point of reference is actually the 1.6 million. Then we see the costs percentage, so the estimated price of the given keyword in Google AdWords for the specified period. Then the competitive density of advertisers, so this is relevant for Google AdWords. It has a competitive density of 0.10, which is okay. Like 1 means that it's the highest competition, 0.01 means it's the lowest competition, so 0.10 is really okay. Then we see the number of URLs displayed in organic search results for this keyword here. So we have like more than a billion actually. Then here we have information about the trend. Then SERP, which is a snapshot of the search engine results page and the last update.